Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Honda Pilot garage opener. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, ensuring the electrical system is active. Next, find the 3 Home Link buttons, usually located in your overhead console. If you've used Home Link before, clear any old programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer buttons for about 10 seconds until the indicator light blinks. Now, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired Home Link button in your Pilot and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding both until the Home Link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash or solid green, then release them. This step programs the remote's signal into your car. For the next step, you'll need to interact with your garage door opener unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button on the motor head unit. Once pressed, you have about 30 seconds to return to your Honda Pilot. Inside the car, firmly press and hold the Home Link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times to complete the training. Finally, test your newly programmed Home Link button by pressing it. Your garage door should now open or close. If it doesn't work, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to sync everything perfectly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.